Hey everyone, so we're going to continue on with our recipe conversions using our limited ingredient formula, which is your received RCVD or your used or issued over your AFRS. So again, the main one you want to focus on is this one. This is one you want to look out for when it comes to these word problems. So we're gonna do number 9 and 10. So number 9, it says the recipe for chocolate cream pie calls for 20 beaten eggs. You were told to make 300 portions of chocolate cream pie. You ordered 35 dozen eggs, you received 50 dozen eggs, you returned 20 eggs and used 80 eggs. What are your portions to prepare for the chocolate cream pie? So again, it's always going to give you a bunch of numbers just to throw you off. But the main one you want to look for is how much you actually used. So it says you ordered 30 dozen eggs. You received 50 dozen eggs. You returned 20 eggs, but you only used 80 eggs. So that's the number that we need because that's how much we actually used. So that number is going to go on top. And we divide it by our AFRS, what our recipe card calls for. And it says the recipe for chocolate cream pie calls for 20 beaten eggs. So that number is going to go on the bottom. And divide these two together. Do it in your head or in the calculator. So 80 divided by 20 equals 4. So this would be your working factor. But that's not what it's asking for. It says, what are your portions to prepare for chocolate cream pie? So all you gotta do is multiply this number by 100. And of course you're gonna end up getting 400 portions. So with the 80 eggs that you used, you're gonna get 400 portions of your chocolate cream pie. So again, don't forget to read your whole question because it's always gonna end up giving you a bunch of numbers that you don't need. So again, these are the things you need. How much you actually used, and you divide it by how much you used, and you divide it by what your recipe card calls for. So erase this and move on to the next one. So number 10, it says, if you're told to make 98 portions of chicken nuggets, the recipe card calls for 30 pounds of chicken nuggets per 100 portions. You were issued 45 pounds of chicken nuggets. How many portions are you able to make? So again, issued, it says you were issued 45 pounds, so that number is going to go on the top. So 45 divided by your AFRS, what your recipe card calls for. And it says the recipe calls for 30 pounds of chicken nuggets per 100 portions. So your 30 pounds is going to go at the bottom. And all you got to do is just divide these two numbers together. So you got 45 divided by 30, which equals 1.5. So that is your working factor. So again, it's not asking for your working factor. It's asking how many portions are you able to make. So all you got to do is multiply your working factor by 100. Which equals 150 portions. So that's your answer. So with the 45 pounds of chicken nuggets that you used, you can make 150 portions.